So let's just see. This is called a seated Gonstead cervical. Isn't that better?
Yep.
Most chiropractors do it laying on your back,
Oh.
which is an accepted practice. That's standard practice, but there's rotation. I like doing lateral flexion because there's zero chance of hurting someone. Now you're a little locked up in here. You feel that?
Yeah.
Now look this way. We gotta undo that. Don't worry, I got you. Right there. Right. You feel that one?
Yes.
How was that?
Good.
It was good? Okay,
Yeah.
look that way. Don't worry, we gotta give you the full VIP. Right there. Enjoy the zen.